Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add color to your drop-down lists in MS Excel. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And if you're successful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And now that I said that, let me show you how it's done. So first off, I will show you how you can add a drop-down list. It's a very easy and simple process, as I've said earlier. Just tap on the cells that you want to add a drop-down list to. You can select them multiply by dragging down on them. As you can see, I've selected both these cells, and you can go ahead and click on data after you've selected the cells. Once you're here, click on data validation, and once you're here, click on the drop down menu, tap on list, and when there is an option which says source, tap on this button and select the sources that you want the list to use. Once you have done that, click on OK, and that's it. A drop-down list has now been added. As you can see, I can select anything from the list for the individual cells. Once you've done that, I will show you how you can add color. Now this you can do by going into Home. Again, select both the cells and click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule. Once you click on New Rule, click on Format Only Cells That Contain. Once you're here, click on Specific Text and again tap on the Source button. Since it is red that we want to do first, click on red, click on this button, then click on Format, and once you're here, go into Fill and tap on the color that you want the cell to look like. Click on OK, click on OK again. As you can see, whenever I tap on red, it changes the color of the whole cell. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do the same for yellow as well. Go ahead and add a new rule, and yeah, it will work. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.